Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a simple looking math expression that is 5 divided 5 divided 5 divided 5. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve this. So I'm going to tell you both the approaches, what people take and what they make as a mistake. So 5 divided 5, they write 1 and then 5 divided 5 as 1 and 1 divided 1 as 1, which is a wrong answer. When you have given the same operation repeating itself, that is 5 divide, then again divide, then again divide, then first you have to solve from left to right, take two terms together. So first 5 divide 5, then rewrite the left out terms. So this becomes 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. Now again take two terms at a time. So 1 by 5 divided by 5. So there are two different things, 1 by 5 divided by 5 and 1 by 5 multiplied by 5. In this case, you can cancel out. The answer is 1. But in this case, you have to follow KCF rule, which says that K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it becomes 1 by 25. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.